Hey, if you've never used AI tools before and want to try ElevenLabs, don't worry. This beginner guide will walk you through everything step by step. No experience needed. First, go to ElevenLabs and sign up. You can use your email or just continue with Google. It's really quick. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. This is where you control everything. Now click on Text to Speech. This is the main feature you'll use to create voiceovers. Next, type or paste your text into the box. This can be anything, like a YouTube script, ad, or story. Now pick a voice. There are different styles and accents, so just choose one you like. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, your voice will be ready to preview. If everything sounds good, just download the audio file and use it in your project. And yeah, don't be afraid to try different voices or settings. You'll get better results as you experiment. That's it. You've just created your first AI voice with ElevenLabs. I mean, it's actually pretty simple once you try it.